Hello everyone, welcome to Prep Future Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this practical series on Informatics Practice with Python PANDAS. Before beginning our next practical, just a small suggestion. For better visibility and understanding, switch to full screen mode while watching the video through laptop or desktop. And if watching through mobile phones, watch in landscape mode and turn on captions. So let's begin with our practical number 6 on data handling series. In this practical, we will write a program to create a series object using ND array that has 10 elements in the range 10 and 100. So for doing this, we have to go to our collab, open your browser, search in Google Colab, then simply just go to this Google Colab, open Colab, then new notebook. Once the new notebook is open, just write it, rename it as IP practical number 6. Once done, just write it here, IP practical number 6. Then create a series object using ND array that has 10 elements in the range 10 and 100. So now, since this question has both a series object and ND array as well, so we will write import pandas spd, and for ND array we need to import numpy as ND, or sorry, NP. So now first we have to generate an ND array with 10 elements in the range 10 to 100. So for this we need to write data array equal to np.random, then we have this rand int command. So we will start with our first value is 10, then we will take 101 as we want in the range 10 to 100, so we will use one value more than 100, so it's 101 and size equal to 10. So I will just write size equal to 10. And once this ND array is created, then we have to create series object from the ND array. For doing this, we need to write so we will write s.pd series, where our s will be in capitals. This I will just copy this data array in this bracket, then I will just simply print s. So press shift plus enter or control plus enter, or you can just click on that play button. So it's up to you how you want to execute. Once done, so currently it's connecting. Now it's initializing. Now it's connected. Let's see our output. So our output is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Till 9 we have this in our index, and here's a random number has come here: 88, 34, 96, 66, 38. So it's between 10 to 100, and these are random numbers. Means if you execute one more type, so this number will be changed. So these are random numbers, these are not fixed. So the number of times you will execute the program, you will get different numbers. So I hope it's clear. So thank it's all in the practical number 6. Let's see you in the next practical. Thank you very much for attending.